Hey guys, this is Jay Kim, and I thought I would make a fun little video for you for anybody who likes basketball, who follows up in the NBA, and anybody who likes to play with statistics and look at statistics and look at probability. So the question is, in this video, is it higher chance that Stephen Curry will make 10 free throws in a row or make one three-pointer? So which one has the higher chance? Now, for those of you who don't know Stephen Curry led the league in free throw shooting at 91.4%, which is a high number. And also is one of the best three-point shooters in the NBA and won the three-point shootout at All-Star Weekend. Anyways, so how you figure that out is, as I said before, free throw percentage is 91.4%. Now, to get the stats, all you need to go is NBA.com, which is probably the most common website, and probably, oh yeah, here it is. Get the stats from here. So now you can see here's field goal, 3-point, free throw, stuff like that. We're looking for 3-point now since we already got the free throw, and it says 44.3%. So I need to make note of that here, saying 44.3%, which is a very high number. And now you can do this once you get the hang of it, and once you know how to master this fun little trick. You can do this with any NBA player. Just look at their free throw percentage on their stat sheet, 3-point percentage, and you can do the trick which I'm about to show you now. Now, the question is, can Stephen Curry, what's the percentage of making 10 free throws for Stephen Curry? Now, the free throw percentage is basically saying, what's the probability of him making this free throw? If you were to take a free throw, which would be 91.4%. Now, in decimal form, if we need to do the math, start the math here, is 0.914. So that will be the probability of one free throw made. Now, if you want to make two, you'll have to times the probability of him making one and another one by squaring it. So basically, it would be 0.914 times 0.914 equals, and I'll use my handy calculator here for the sake of time being, and 914 times 0.914. So it says 8353, so I'll round it to 835. So 83.5%. So that is the probability of him making two free throws in a row, 83.5%. If you wanted to know if you wanted to know what's the probability of him making three free throws in a row, then you would have to do the same thing, but add another 914. And again, I can use my calculator here. And then now I can times it again by 0.914, which will be 76.4, I would say. I'll round it up. So that will be the percentage of probability if he makes three free throws in a row. Now, if you want to get to all 10, so I don't want to go type 0.914 blah 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 10 times. So I actually pasted it. That's 4. That's 8. And then I'll do the remaining 2 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 10. And we had 3 here. So now we can go here and just keep adding 914. So that's 4. 5, 6, 7, lost it there. Gonna have to start over. That's okay. 4 times 0.914 times 0.914. Now remember, you have to do this 10 times for 10 free throws. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is the probability of him making 10 free throws in a row. So was that 40.68? We'll round it off to about 40.7. So now, the question was, is there a high chance that Stephen Curry will make 10 free throws in a row or 1 3-pointer? Well, as you can see, we only need one number, which is a 3-point percentage, because there's only 1 3-pointer. As you can see, this is higher than 10 free throws in a row, which is usually uncommon, but now you can look at these interesting ways to calculate a little trivia statistics on sports. And now, yeah, you know how to calculate statistics based on how many free throws or how many 3-pointers or field goals they can make in a row by multiplying the same number X amount of times based on how much you want to know in a row. Excuse me for the noise there if you hear anything. That's my dog. But so now you know, as you can see, you can also do this with any other NBA player. Just go on the stats and just look up their free throw and 3-point percentage, and you can figure it out. Thanks for listening.